fun. It's time to do enjoy. It's time to fun now. Time to enjoy.
Yes.
Well, in UK, everyone is vaccinated. I think. I hope so. I don't know. I hope so. Everyone is vaccinated in UK.
No, they're not. Um,
Are you
I
vaccinated? Are you?
no,
Are
I'm
you?
not.
Are you
Um,
afraid of the injection? Are you afraid of the injection or what?
oh, I'm not afraid of it, but I have a different perspective on vaccines. Um,
I see.
so yes, but I've heard some great news. If you don't want the vaccine, that vegans apparently will be exempt from getting it. So I'm not a vegan, but I think if they say, you know, you must have it, I'll say, oh, I'm a vegan. So I thought this is pretty cool because then you can choose if you want it or not.
Yes, yes. So, madam, I want to know that how a person can improve their English, uh, like easily, easily,
Easily.
quickest way, quickest way.
That's a good question. I was thinking about this earlier actually. I thought, Um, and the easiest way is to ask yourself, why am I learning English and what do I love? Um, so if yeah, it's your passion. Um, so you know, someone says, I don't know how to do it. What you normally find is there's just not enough of a desire. Um, so, you know, they might not be doing this on purpose, but, you know, when we really want something, we don't ask how, we just do it. That we find a way. Um, so, yeah, often when people can't learn so quickly, it's because they're, you know, thinking too much about, I need to learn English, and they're not
Mhm.
enjoying it. So kind
Yes.
of it needs to be fun. Need to keep repeating things and
Mhm.
you use emotion. So I don't know about you, but I can remember all the bad words or swear words in other languages
Mhm.
from when I was a child. And everybody can do this because it's got a strong emotion. You think, oh, I shouldn't know that word, but
Mhm.
you hold on to it. So if you focus on what you love, but in English, you can
Mhm.
learn a lot quicker. So say, for example, if you love, I don't know, you love driving cars, just learn English by reading everything about driving cars, listening to YouTube videos about cars, um, because you won't be focusing on learning English. You'll be trying to understand because you're interested.
Mhm.
So that's the main thing, you know, make your desire stronger. And
I see.
yes, yeah. What do you think about this, or what do you think's the quickest way to learn?
Well, in my opinion, people are taking seriously. This is just a language. In my opinion, people are taking too much seriously. Why I'm
Yes.
learning? Because I'm enjoying it. I want to tell the people don't take seriously. This is just a language. But
Yeah.
in India, people are taking seriously because this is their career. They want to build their career. They want to go Canada. They want to go US. I know one of my subscribers. She wants to go. She's a nurse. She's a BSc nurse. She is trying to go UK for the nursing sector in a nursing, but she's trying very hard. But she is very serious. And what I have seen on her, that she is very serious. I told her, enjoy the English, enjoy the English, enjoy each and every moment while learning. But they are taking seriously. That's why they are not improved. They are not improved, in my opinion. I am enjoying English. I don't have anything to lose while talking with someone. I am nonchalant. I completely nonchalant while talking with other people. That's why I will learn. What do you think about my English? Come on. What do you think about my English?
Oh, I think it's lovely your English, very, and like you're doing, and you said, take it less seriously. You're just trying to communicate. You're not
Yes.
focusing on English, communicating. So maybe it's not perfect, but I can understand you, and you are communicating very clearly. One thing I'd love to work on with you is pronunciation. But this is because this is my passion and what I focus on. So I wouldn't say you need to do this, but if you're interested in it, yeah, pronunciation. And yeah, just I like what you're doing. Just keep having fun with it. And speaking to people. We need, like you said, everyone's not everyone, but most people are a bit fed up. So what's your life for? And the lady you said that's learning and wants to be a nurse in the UK, that's fantastic. And like you said, maybe it is a bit too serious. So if you imagine trying to teach a child, you had to say, work harder, and we must learn grammar and boring things. The child, they'll just, they'll go off. They won't concentrate, or they'll be like,
Yes.
But if you make it fun and then say, you're doing great, and keep going one step after the other, they learn a lot quicker.
But what happened here? People, they lose their hope quickly. They lose if they don't understand something. If it seems they're quite difficult English, they leave that. They leave the point. That's happening. They are disappointed.
What's your belief about when you're speaking English?
Well, I am the king. I can.
Yeah.
Yes, I have a strong determination, and I have strongly believe that I can communicate with anyone in this world. I can communicate without any hesitation, without fear. I can communicate with anyone. Look at the way I am communicating with you. I am not hesitating. I'm enjoying. Look at the way I am enjoying that moment. I'm enjoying communicating the moment with you right now. The people are not enjoying, they are serious. That's why they fumble, they hesitate. That's the main reason behind that. That people are afraid to speak. The word does not come out from their mind. This is the main reason behind that. Madam Lucie.
From your heart instead.
Yes. So tell me something about yourself. Your like what do I say in Hindi we called Sharmili. Like your character, you are shy, little. Your nature is shy. You are too shy. I can sense you. You are too shy. You are too shy. What is the reason behind that? Why you are too shy? Why you are shy? Tell me.
Question. Yes, good question. So, so this is, like you said, it's a character.
It's a character.
So, it's a character. It's a habit.
I see.
And it's something. Yes, it's something. It's really good you've questioned this. It's something I am becoming more aware of. That, like people kind of often, I don't know in India, but we kind of think that one person is one way with one personality, but we have many sides, many personalities or characters, and underneath it we're all the same. But one of my habits, which has got a lot better, but it doesn't matter, now I think, I'm being shy, that's fine. It's being shy. So when I was a child, I was very shy, and people couldn't understand me. They could, but they'd always say, what? I would be very quiet. And yes, I'm not shy, but sometimes I'm in the character of being that way. And again, it's what you've said, being too much up here, and kind of just need to relax a bit more. So it's a habit.
No, what my father told me, that quiet people are very smart. Quiet and shy people are very smart. You are. That you are. That you are. That's great. That's great. That's great, madam.
Yes. And have you always been Like you said, kind of you're more in the moment and more comfortable with speaking.
I'm always in the fifth gear. Whenever I talk with people, I am always in the fifth gear. My acceleration is always high. I go in the flow all the time. I talk energetically with people. I enjoy the moment. I learn. Well, I was not like that, but I learned for the past 1 year. I learned how to deal with people, how to enhance the communication skills. I developed myself my communication skills, how to engage with, how to talk with people, how to engage them with your conversation. I learned so many things by reading books, by watching YouTube videos.
Wow. Mm.
Yes, you could say I'm a self learner.
Definitely. And
Yes.
what's your, do you have any goals for this year, or are you just gonna just keep pushing things forward?
No, no, I do have a goal. I launched one application. I have my own application on a Google Play Store where people can talk to find each other for especially for English learners. Like I have created applications 2 months before that. Like you are looking for a partner to speak English. So in my application, you will get the partner. So now my plan is that I'm gonna add their teacher. You know, similar to Cambly. Similar to Cambly.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna start that similar to Cambly. This is my plan. This is my future plan. I'm working on it right now. I'm working on it right now.
That's exciting. Ah,
Yes,
so
yes,
will your subscribers be waiting to use it?
yes. They are waiting. They are waiting. They are waiting. And most of the 300 people are using, but there is some bug in it right now in the application. So I told my developer to remove the bug, and then later on we'll update the application. Then I'm gonna advertise. I didn't advertise yet my application, but I will advertise later on. Not yet.
Mm. Oh, great!
Yes,
When the bugs are fixed and smoothed out.
yes. When the bug fixes, I'll tell them. I'll tell them. I'll introduce my application to everyone.
Oh, and
Yes.
how many people did you say live in India?
Well, I didn't say that much people that, but 300 people they already downloaded the application. 300 people
And how many people live in India, in the whole of India?
in whole India. 1.3 billion people live in India. 1.3. It's a
Mm.
huge. It's a huge market for English learner. Think about it, madam. It's a huge
It's
market
you.
for learners. There are so many learners. There are so many learners compared to other countries. There are so many learners in India. Most of the people they learn English. They want to learn English.
So you'll be able to. That would
Yes,
be amazing, like you said. To oh,
I'm gonna grab this opportunity. I'm waiting.
oh no,
Yes,
I was thinking to, like you said, to get people to enjoy it,
yes,
and so you'll be changing the whole kind of feeling in India for people, changing their feelings, not just about English, about learning, about everything by doing that.
yes, yes. Thank you.
It's exciting. Mm.
Thank you. What you like to do in your free time, madam? What you do usually?
Oh, what do I do?
Yes.
I like to draw.
Mm,
So I studied art. So I
yes,
draw quite surreal pictures, very
I
beautiful
see.
pictures.
I
And
see.
yes, and I love to sing and to dance.
I
Um,
see.
yeah, so to kind of just to use, what we're made with and have fun with it.
I
And
see.
I'm currently doing a course. So
Yes.
in kind of it's to transform myself back to my true nature, how I originally
Okay.
am. And then I will learn how to help other people do this. So in
I
January,
see.
I'll be a transformational coach. So to bring people, you know, back to who they really are, and they can express themselves properly.
I see. I see. Well, you are such a great personality. You are so generous. You
And
are
you.
I, I really don't have a word to express my gratitude to you that for social work, you give me your precious time and talk to me. Well, God bless
Oh,
you, madam. God bless you. God bless
it's
you.
my
And please,
pleasure. And you.
please tell me if I can do something for you. Please tell me if I can do
Just
something for you. I'm
keep
ready
doing
to
what
help
you're
you.
doing.
Yes.
Yeah, just
Thank you. Thank
keep doing it. And like you said, you're king, and
you.
share that
Yes.
with people, with this hope and
Yes.
inspiration.
Yes. I'm gonna conquer every battle. I'm gonna conquer every battle.